More than 100,000 teachers who are members of the Kenya National Union of Teachers will not receive a pay rise. This is according to the Teachers Service Commission, which maintains that it cannot execute the third phase of the 2017-2021 collective bargaining agreement. And this is yet another round in the battle between the Teachers Service Commission and the Teachers Union.
The Kenya National Union of Teachers (NAT) had filed a case opposing the current Teachers Service Commission's promotion model and career progression guidelines (CPG) and instead wanted TSC to use schemes of service as a tool to promote teachers. On 12th July 2019, the court agreed with this in its final judgment after TSC's unsuccessful appeal. But this judgment, according to TSC, has now disadvantaged teachers who are not members, since benefits that had been achieved through the CPG have been lost. TSC says career progression guidelines were embedded as an implementation tool to the 2017-2021 collective bargaining agreement between TSC and the unions. TSC says the move has made the execution of the CBA for NAT members impossible. Consequently, the teachers' employer said that 103,624 teachers who are NAT members will not receive a pay rise. TSC says it discontinued the schemes of service and adopted career progression guidelines (CPG) in 2017. Those affected include head teachers, deputy head teachers, and senior teachers. Other NAT members who will be affected are 96,000 former P1 teachers who were promoted in July 2017, since they will not be promoted under common cadre on 1st July 2020. TSC says it will now undertake a reversal of grades and full recovery of the previously enhanced salaries and allowances that had been effected since 1st July 2017. Vincent Odur, NTV.